Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense. For the week of December 15th, 2015, we're going to stare at some charts that come from the Trade Navigator software, but we're probably not going to stare at them too long. The first thing I can tell you about this week is don't. We've got a Fed meeting Wednesday afternoon, will be when they come out and adjust the rates, or don't. Gosh, I hope they do. But anyway, we'll get a violent reaction, I'm sure, at that point, and you really can't do anything until that's run its course. Before that is just guessing. This is the bond market we're looking at here, and you can see the upside target after they've been so strong was potentially as high as 158.18, and they've been nowhere near that. They started down, did not hold 156 support. They appear to be holding 154.16 roughly in this area, but look, there's more support down here at 152, and the previous swing low in this contract is 150. Don't let anybody tell you they can't take that out, because they can. I don't really know what to expect. They've rallied feeling fairly confident that the Fed will raise rates, and they rallied anyway. So, I'm not convinced that they'll necessarily go down, but gosh, you just got to be foolish to take a risk until we see how they react to the Fed, I think. Stocks have had an opposite reaction. They've been up this week. It looked like they might go as low as 1967, and they still could, but they've turned back up instead. They appear not to be holding the 2030 area that could have knocked them back down. So next target's up here around 2060, and heck, even up here 2092 is very possible. They could go to new highs. Again, we're looking at the Fed as being the key to virtually everything, as it has been for about the last 6 years. And this is big. Turning the rates around and starting to raise is a big deal. I'm not really sure how it'll affect the markets. I thought the stock market would ease down into the meeting and then rally up out of it, but they didn't go down in what I would call an easy manner, and they've already rallied some this week, so I really don't know what they're going to do, and I suspect sitting on your hands is the best course of action. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with, but probably not until after Wednesday afternoon.